Okra water, your new health secret. Are you looking for a simple way to boost your health? Do you want more energy and vitality? Then look no further than okra water. This natural drink is packed with nutrients, it's easy to make, and it can have a real impact on your well-being. Intrigued? Read on to discover the magic of okra water. Okra water is exactly what it sounds like. It is simply water infused with the goodness of okra pods. When you soak okra pods in water for 24 hours, they release a thick, viscous liquid. This liquid is full of valuable nutrients. It's these nutrients that provide the health benefits of okra water. Don't be put off by the simplicity of this drink. Sometimes the most basic things are the best for our health, and okra water is a perfect example of this. Okra water is like a magic potion for your body. It's a simple yet powerful drink that can transform your health in numerous ways. It offers a wide range of health benefits that can make a significant difference in your daily life. One of the most well-known benefits is its ability to aid digestion, making it a great addition to your diet. The soluble fiber in okra water helps to regulate bowel movements, ensuring that your digestive system runs smoothly. This can relieve constipation and promote a healthy gut, which is essential for overall well-being. But the benefits don't stop there. Okra water has much more to offer. Okra water is also incredibly hydrating, making it an excellent choice for staying refreshed. This is especially important during the summer months or after a workout when your body needs extra hydration. It can help to replenish electrolytes and keep you feeling your best, no matter how active your lifestyle is. Okra water may also help to stabilize blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining energy and health. This is great news for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition, as it can help manage their health more effectively. And if you're looking for a natural way to combat aging, look no further. Okra water has you covered. Okra water is rich in antioxidants, which are vital for protecting your body. These antioxidants help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to various health issues. This can help to slow down the aging process and keep you looking and feeling younger, more vibrant and full of energy. Finally, okra water is good for your heart, supporting cardiovascular health. It contains compounds that may help to lower cholesterol levels, which is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. This can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke, making okra water a fantastic addition to your daily routine for long-term health. Section 4, my personal okra water story. I've seen the power of okra water firsthand. It has truly transformed my life in ways I never expected. A few years ago, I was feeling sluggish and run down. My energy levels were at an all-time low. My digestion was off and I just didn't have any energy. I felt constantly bloated and uncomfortable. I started hearing about the benefits of okra water from friends and online articles, so I decided to give it a try. I was amazed by the results. It was like a miracle in a glass. Within a few days, I noticed a significant improvement in my digestion. The bloating was gone, I had more energy, and I just felt healthier overall. My mornings became more vibrant and active. I've been drinking okra water ever since, and I recommend it to all my friends. It's a simple change with profound benefits. Section 5, make your own okra water. It's easy. Ready to experience the magic of okra water for yourself? It's a refreshing and nutritious drink that you can easily make at home. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Follow these steps and you'll have your own okra water in no time. Ingredients: 4 to 5 fresh okra pods, 1 cup of water. Make sure the okra is fresh and firm for the best results. Instructions: first, wash the okra pods thoroughly. This helps to remove any dirt or pesticides. Then, trim the ends of the pods. Be careful while using the knife to avoid any accidents. Next, cut the pods into halves or thirds. This allows the water to extract more nutrients from the okra. Place the okra pods in a glass or jar. Make sure the container is clean and dry. Pour the water over the okra pods. Use filtered water for the best taste and health benefits. Cover the glass or jar and let it sit at room temperature overnight or for at least 8 hours. This allows the okra to infuse the water with its nutrients. In the morning, remove the okra pods from the water. The water should have a slightly thick consistency. You can discard the pods or use them in another recipe. They can be added to soups, stews, or even stir-fries. Your okra water is ready to drink. Enjoy it as a refreshing start to your day. You can drink okra water on its own, savoring its unique taste and texture, or you can add it to smoothies or other beverages. It blends well with fruits and vegetables. Some people like to add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for flavor. This adds a zesty twist to your drink. Section 6. Join the okra water revolution. Okra water is a simple, affordable, and effective way to improve your health. I encourage you to try it for yourself and see the difference it can make. Drink it for a week and see how you feel. You might be surprised at the results. Share your experience with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the magic of okra water.